Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim Shaves, and today just gonna be a quick shave. I've already shaved yesterday and on a very little growth, barely see it. I think around 16 hours of growth. Yeah, it's gonna go for a quick shave. And let's see what we're using today. Another new product in the den. I think I showed it during the last mail call. This is the Sudsy Soapery Blizzard, and this smells just like a topical ointment like Tiger Balm or mentholatum. Very medicinal, fresh scent. Yeah, it's not a unpleasant scent. It's just a fresh, medicinal scent to me. I already got it loaded up using this beautiful brush from Viking Soaps Cosmetics. Faux Jade brush with a badger knot. Got a creamy load right there, so just a fresh medicinal scent. Alright, let's get it going. Hope you guys are doing well, enjoying your breaks. For some, for those of you working still, thank you for working. I know a lot of the postal office workers are struggling with the heavy load. Hope you guys are getting some good rest in between. And then, yeah, thank you guys for supporting us average Joes throughout this crazy times. Oh man, this thing has heavy menthol. I didn't know, but I feel it right away. Oh man. That is some serious menthol going on. When they say blizzard, they weren't kidding. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let me add some more water here. It's looking a little dry. Okay, I don't want to scrub too much since I shaved last night. So I'm just going to go with that. A bit more of a watery lather. That's okay. It should be plenty on the brush, and I got more on the bowl. Ooh, this has some serious menthol. It's one of the more mentholated products that I have. Definitely more than Sterling's regular menthol line. Yeah, it's almost, I don't think it's burning my face, but it's feeling really cold. But today, I'm going to be shaving off with a vintage razor. This is going to be the Gillette Sheraton paired with a Treet Platinum blade. On its third use. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, serious menthol going on. Okay, I already see some patina. All right. Yeah, this razor's developing patina really quickly, so I'm gonna have to clean it thoroughly after the use. Here we go. First pass through with the grain. Shaving very efficiently. Look at this creamy lather. Very nice. Yeah, just dripping right off. Sudsy Soapery, I don't see them more often now. I think they were more popular in a couple of years back. But yeah, I like that they still make their products with essential oil. I think tallow and steel does that too. They might be a little more expensive for the artisans, but essential oils are less likely to burn my skin, react to my skin, because every essential oil I used so far hasn't reacted. Well, some fragrance oil did. Whew. That is a cold soap. All right, excellent first pass so far. Very slick. Let me rinse up, go for a second. Ooh, man. Man, if you want to wake up in the morning, this soap definitely wakes you up. Some people might not like smelling like Vicks Vapor Rub or Tiger Balm, but I don't mind it too much. Here we go, second pass through. Heavy menthol, definitely. And this badger brush is feeling very soft. It's a 26 millimeter hand master knot from Oumo. Just a very easy to work with knot. Let's go with that. Got plenty of creamy lather here. I'm not gonna go for a voluminous lather because I would do it with a synthetic, but with natural hairs, I usually go for just a hydrated, slick lather. That's fine for me. The blade is feeling fine so far. Let's go with that. Across the grain. Second pass through. Whew. Feeling very cold. I don't know if my aftershave choice is gonna be a smart decision here, but because I can barely feel my face right now. The blade is doing a good job, but I am feeling some slight tug here and there against the green. Whew. Let's get the corners of the mouth. This is a good start to a winter morning. A bit more water there. This might be a bit early to shave a 16-hour growth, but it's feeling okay so far. I feel slight irritation here and there. Just my skin might not be enjoying shaving so close, or just not enough break in between shaves, but it's okay so far. All right, I'm just gonna go for a quick against the grain pass. Probably shouldn't, but I don't know. It's just want to. Plenty of lather to work with, and my face is freezing off right now. It's probably one of the most mentholated products that I've tried so far. I haven't tried cryogen yet, but I have a sample of it. I feel like that would match this one. Alright, that's pretty smooth. There's plenty of slickness with this soap too. Alright, just gonna do my signature choke stretch, as CDB would call it. Oh man, I can't even grab my neck. It's so slick. Alright. I felt something right there. Alright, I think I'm just gonna end it right there. I know there is a slight more stubbles left, but I think my face is... It's feeling pretty good, so... And it's close enough. I feel like if I push it, I'm gonna get some irritation, so I'm just gonna stop here. Pretty clean shave. Not quite a BBS, but very close. You're a little bit on my usual spot, but other than that, neck is feeling smooth. And my face is continuing to freeze off. This is some cold soap. Let me just rinse it off with some colder water. All right, good stuff. Just gonna get some alum. My alum is kind of, it's in bad shape. If you guys can see, it's yeah, it's kind of breaking off. So I don't know how much longer I can use this, but let's try it out. Okay, yeah, fair bit of sting on the chin and on the neck. Yeah, I don't think it was a good idea to shave, but it's all good. All right, not bad. Oh man, yeah, there's some sharp edges here, so I'm like catching some blemishes in with this alum block. I don't know. I mean, there's still plenty left, but they're just sharp edges, and not sure what to do with it. Just gonna be more careful when I use it. Now, just rinse off the alum really quick. Finish off with some colder aftershave. Oh, this is the sample of Osage Rub. Osage Rub. Heavily mentholated product. Here we go. Oh, got a little too much. Let's go with that. Oh man. Woo! That is some good aftershave. Feels fresh, clean, hint of powderiness, but I think it's more the eucalyptus clean scent. But yeah, excellent shave today. Nice clean shave. Not quite BBS, but almost there. So thank you guys for watching. This is Tim Shade, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.